First, meteorologist Grayson Freund joins us now. And Grayson, the clouds parted this afternoon into the evening hours and kind of made for a much nicer evening than the way the day started.
Yeah, for sure. So we were lucky enough to see the sunshine here as we concluded the evening, and we started the day with some rain, and then we kind of transitioned to cloudy skies. So it was certainly nice to see that sun, and now we're really just waiting on the leftover clouds to move on out of here, and that's exactly what's going to happen. We'll have gradual clearing as we move throughout the next few hours and overnight, as we have some high pressure and dry air kind of pushing those remaining clouds out of here. Temperatures tonight will be dropping down into the mid 50s, and looking ahead into tomorrow, it's going to be a fairly nice day. We'll have a lot of sunshine. Highs will be back up in the upper 70s, potentially reaching 80 degrees, but it's going to be windy. We have a cold front that's going to be moving through later tomorrow, and this isn't going to be bringing any rain with it, but what it is going to be doing is kind of cranking up those winds. So tomorrow, especially going into the afternoon, we'll see gusts up to 20, even 30 miles per hour here, specifically in the afternoon and going into the evening. But remember, we are going to have highs in the 80s or upper 70s, lower 80s tomorrow, so it's certainly going to feel nice to have that breeze out there to try to keep us a little bit cooler. And looking ahead, Monday is going to be another nice day. Temperatures, though, are going to be a bit cooler in the lower 70s, but we will have that sunshine out there. But going into Tuesday, the first part of the day will have a mix of sun and clouds, but going into the afternoon and into the evening is when our rain chances will return. And we are still a few days out, so the confidence on this is low. The models are all kind of showing some differences as well. So this is something we'll be watching for as it gets closer here in the next few days. But overall, the chances for this are fairly low, but they are still there. So we do have to keep that in mind. And those will be out of here fairly quickly, and we'll be dry and back to sunshine as we go into the day on Wednesday. And temperatures, again, we're going to be in the 80s tomorrow, but as we move throughout the first few days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, we're going to be falling back down into the 70s. And as we move throughout the middle and end of the week, we're slowly going to be warming back up to where we should be in the mid to upper 80s, potentially reaching 90 degrees on Thursday. So it's going to start to feel a little bit more hot and humid here as we move throughout the end of the week. And looking even more ahead into the week after that, we're still going to have these above normal temperatures sticking in the mid to upper 80s. So it's going to be hot and it's going to be humid going forward. And we're going to be starting out the week again on a cooler note in the 70s. That humidity is going to be building as we move throughout the week. Then by the end of the week, we're back in the 80s and the rain chances return.